Well, hello everyone. As you know, or may not know, people are having a hard time getting into live PU right now. There's something with the client server authentication that's giving the 15,006. I am also running into that, but not so much on the PTU side. So I know that there's some workarounds. We're using host port with Amazon's backend IP addresses, and perhaps there is an issue with the domain name registration linking to an older IP address, because even the host port fix that used to work is no longer working. So needless to say, we might not be able to jump in, as you may or may have not been aware. At first I thought it was maybe a DNS issue, but that doesn't seem to be the case neither. But I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what you get when you try to launch the game. And it is affecting the live, not the PTU side with the Vocati. So I think it's definitely an Amazon thing. Not so much the routing, but that's also possible. All right, I'm just turning my attention to live chat. Log out from the launcher, log out from the RSI webpage, log back into the webpage, log into the launcher. I had problems getting into several days, but it fixed immediately for us. All right, pimps, I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to try that right now. All right. I'm going to Alt F4, and it closed it, so I will do exactly what you said. Go to the launcher and log out just to re-authenticate, just in case. There I am, re-authenticating. I am now re-authenticated, but I will sign out one more time and re-authenticate. There we go. And now at the same time, I will leave you with something else. I'm just going to quickly set it up because I haven't been able to do it in the past, and I'd like to do this now. And it's YouTube. Bartender, can you link to that video in the live chat so others can also click on it if they wish to see it in rather than in the stream, but follow it directly, Bartender? The same link that you shared with me in Discord would work. Chris is getting 20,009, and I get, Jay says he gets 10,002. It just doesn't work. Zios says 070707. Always been meaning to catch one of your streams. Happy to finally be here for one. How are we all doing? Apart from not being able to jump in, I'm sure we're, well, at least for myself, I managed to scrap up the time to log in, to spend time with you in an adventure, to continue part 3 of our truckin' mission. Richard Moore says, this is a server-side, not client-side. It's definitely server-side problem with Amazon Web Services, most likely. Yeah, it's 15006. Apparently don't want us playing. Well, that I don't think is the case. And Lewis is getting popcorn ready. Way to go. Outlaws says, Sotaro, to launch the game twice or more, then it will work. That's what I did. It works. Okay, so authentication server might be also a problem. Back for more adventures, Yowzer. Perfect. So there is the link. It is in live chat. You can check it out if you just want to, just to tie you over. It is in 4K, but I will also include it here and see if it works, which will be nice if it does. Wow, it says video unavailable. It's probably because of the way it's linked. There we go. All right. Edit this. There we go. Much better. And interact. Interact. Preview log. Interact. There we are. Interesting. There we go. 4K. Just for you guys. Spare no expense. All right. So from the looks of things, even though I get that error code, I am still getting updates as contacts get in and out. Jimmy Toga, Raven Kraken, Splattergoo, Skipper, so on and so forth. There's my account ID, so on and so forth, yada yada yada. But, you know, CIG net worked okay. Socket works okay. And there's Ziffer Boy. He's online. Interesting. I wonder what could possibly go wrong. Hey Mean Monkey, welcome. Bobug, welcome. Killshot. Sorry about that ear rip. It's a bit loud. Absolutely. Man. Weirdest things today. Doo-doo. Okay. And I'm not really sure it's going to work. I mean, the online server seems to. Bartender, I seen your contact. Were you able to get in? It says you're online. So this might be you trying. Raven Kraken's tried again. Looks like. You can't. Here, I'll show you what happens. It's pretty much. You can't do anything. It says synchronizing account data with the game network either failed or timed out. That's the error that you get, right? And I'll show it to you. Which is a disappointment. And what I'll do is, I can't pretty much do Alt F4, so what I'll do is I'll close the launcher and see if that helps. Okay, it still crashes. It closes the client, which is good. That's I guess healthy. Let's see. Okay. So here I am. I'll show you what I'm doing. Oh, Outlaws Inc. is at Levski. Sir, log out from the launcher and then website once more. Okay, we'll do that. I will do that now. Ash says, hey there, good buddy. Looks like we got some SC issues today, at least in the PU. In the PTU, it's fine. Chris Skipper says, if you got me on context, try joining server. It's not so much that. The minute I hit launch game, that's where we run into the problem. So I launch game, does its thing, and it's doing this. And it's eventually it just stays here and it times out. Question Z-Voice is asking, what ships would everyone recommend upgrading from the Aurora? I've had it for over a year now and feel like I need something better. Cutlass Black. Slumber Dog, launch the game, force close it in the taskbar and hit close. Then the red failed launch thing will pop up and hit the relaunch. Okay. So what you're saying is go to taskbar, task manager, end task. There you go. And then relaunch Star Citizen. I'm an all-star on US server. Yowzer, well done. Bob Mitch says, there is no workaround you can do on your PC to get it faster or at all. This is a server-side issue on CIG and Amazon's servers. Well done, Bob Mitch. Thanks for the heads up. Keep trying. That's the only way to get in. Yeah, that's definitely an option. If you don't try, you'll never get in, right? You just have to keep restarting your client. So I went I used the task manager this time. Into the launch. I'm wondering if I would just delete my Windows side configuration information, but it doesn't seem to be. As you can see, I log in successfully with my ID. Everything seems to work good. And then it's almost as if the Amazon side authentication, whatever host ID. This is just to get into the main menu. Never mind joining on anyone. Yowzer says, the most attempts it has taken me is 4. All right, Yowzer, I will note that. And Slimmer Dog says, that's what's worked for me. Okay, so there it is again. So instead of hitting OK, because I know it's still connected, I will go to Task Manager, and end this. There. And I'll just keep this handy. I'll give it a few seconds. Does it depend on where you live? If it is server side? Tanfield? That's a good question. It might. Hope it's not something to do with California fires. Yeah, that's a shame. Mr. Z Jezbo says, hey Sitaro, if you're not making enough money from YouTube, you should make meditation recordings with a voice like yours. You know, I am not monetized at all whatsoever. I don't have ads. I don't have... the only ads that might show up is because I used somebody else's music and they made a claim. But those are rare. But definitely, I'd love to do meditation for people who'd like to see that. But it'd have to have a Star Citizen flair to it. So if there's some interesting stories that you'd like me to read, I could probably do that too. Hi, Uber. Yowzer says, also make sure you close the launcher before each attempt. Okay, we'll do that. I'm going to close this and task. And close and close. And make sure it's closed. It looks like it is closed. Lots of close. And we're going to try again. Bum bum bum. Launch. So saving custom files, fully delete all files, administering standard passwords, login data file change, the log file, library folder change, related articles. Yeah, I know all those ones. The login data JSON file every time. The file in the existing launcher is open. The app data local might be something I might want to remove. So that might work. I will show this arrow. Twisted Void says, with the current build, trade doesn't seem worth it and no capital to start. What missions would be recommended? For missions, I would definitely do anything to do with pirate defense. Every time you shoot down a pirate, you get monies. So that's pretty good. And then, of course, you can do a little hauling back and forth. All right, so again. So this is what we're going to do. Just because we can. I'm going to close this. This should disappear if I close the launcher. Yeah, I did close the launcher. And app data. There we go. And what I'm going to do now is go local and Star Citizen. And I'm going to get rid of everything. Delete. No. And in Robert Space Industries. One moment. All right. Let's see. RSI launcher. RSI P2 PTU launcher. All right. So I'm going to go under RSI launcher, and there's the cache. So I'll delete that, and that. I'll delete that too. Just deleting everything, all of it. Oh no! What are you doing? No. Local storage. It's all deleted. Preferences. The whole kit and caboodle. No. Delete. Alright, so the launcher's totally deleted. Let's see what happens. Oh, how can it be deleted when it remembered my passwords? I'm a simple man, Daniel says. I see a Sataro stream. I smash the like button. Oh, that's so kind of you. There's nothing much to stream right now. Oh, Bob Mitch says CSG is still working on it. And there's a PNG for it. Let's see. What does it say? Okay, so updated on this. There are multiple issues. Oh, I'm in. Guys, I'm in. I'm in. So you're probably wondering, what did you do? What did you do, Sataro? All right, Bob Mitch, see if this works. I'm going to go into Discord, yes. So the fact that I did that, I'm going to just basically exit again and see if it actually works. I'm going to close this as well. Basically, it was the launcher data. It probably gave the wrong information or something, but we'll find out if it actually works, if it's consistent. Whoa! Get rid of that. Oh, I should probably not share my adoption. I'm kidding. Two-step authentication is your friend, just so you guys know. By the way, have you guys noticed how good Google is with two-step authentication? It's not just texting people now, which is really amazing. Oh, wow. It's asking me to re-authenticate with this PC because, of course, I got rid of it. So I'll do that now. Dum, bum, ba-dum. Let's get some music. All mail. There it is. There it is. I now have it. And my device is maybe 700K. For one day. That's funny. It says the code is invalid or is already in use. Well, that's why. When you copy the code, sometimes you copy the whole thing. Whoa. All right. Now I'm going to go under settings. And I'm going to change. View details. Ha. Interesting. I'm just checking something really quick on the Star Citizen Live. There it is. So, settings. Program files, Robert Space Industries. Very good. Copy. Actually, I'll copy the whole thing, duplicate it, just in case. I'll show you what it's asking me. Right now, it's asking me this. Because I deleted basically everything with the launcher, I had to re-authenticate, but it worked, right? So, it's the login simulator. Yes, very true. Just let's see if we can get to the bottom of this. Alright, so I made a copy just in case. Change. There it is. Select folder. Oh, I don't need to do that, sorry. There we go. Select folder. And verify. Is this doing some sort of download? There it is. So I didn't have to do that. Alright, launching again. We'll see what happens now. Marius, yes. What seems to, I'll show you what worked for me, and it might work for you. You just have to re-authenticate. But we'll see if it's actually persistent, because it might just have been a fluke. Looks like it was a fluke. Interesting. So once you get in, don't leave. But that makes it tough, you know, because if your client crashes and you have a transport of a large amount of cargo, things go wrong. It's not good. Now it's different. It's just hanging out there. Like it crashed. I suppose. Start to wait. Alright, so the same thing. So it was just a flukety fluke. I'm going to close this. So what I thought it was is this. This here, roaming, local low. Sorry, not local low. Local. No, sorry. Roaming. You're an RSI launcher. I'm getting rid of these things. But I was wrong. It didn't work. So I'm going to close this again. Eventually it'll work. That's what everyone's been saying. When it works, it works. When it doesn't, it doesn't. Okay. After cleaning updates, I performed a complete clean install. And did it work for you, Errol? You know what? I don't, unless I play it, I don't stream it. But I do own quite a few games. Quite a few. And if it's not on PC, I kind of I frown on it. Okay, we're getting farther along now. So maybe they're getting close to the issue. We have a few people that are supposedly online. So we got DeCosta Cyber, Jimmy Tuga, sorry. Mr. Holidays is here, the registrant, bartender, box of spam, skipper, spoon, USMC, U.S. Marine Corps, Yowzer. So, do you guys want an invite? Invite to party. Invite to party. Invite to party. Invite to party. I'm very presumptuous. I'm just kidding. Invite to party. Invite to party. There we go. And invite to party. You've been invited to party. Don't know if you saw this, but Ash is saying, if you delete your user file, you can get to the main menu, but then you will get an infinite loading screen. Nothing works. What did PNG files say? In Russia, same problem. Error. Don't close launcher. Try another way. Change host. Yeah, host doesn't work anymore for some reason. So what I'll do, I'll see if I could go to Arena Commander, see what happens. Maybe we'll do a different type. Maybe we can't go into PU. Let's go to multiplayer. Free flight. And let's select our ship, shall we? Oh, Rosemore, right, I'll do that. Contact. Rose. There you go. Dean Home 1. What is your name? There you are. Invite to party sent. Well, it's such a nice, relaxing music, but let's see if we can get a different music going. Yeah, that's a good one. It's a short one, or this one even better. Alright, could you send me an invite as well? I'm getting in. I just need your handle, and you need to add me, remember that. Oh, I think you're already in Cypher. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I remember that. There you go, ID2. Alright, Cypher. Oh, it looks like you're not even on. Rosemore has joined the party. Subarian. Tanfield says, I'm in the menus, but it says I'm not online on your contact list. It says I have no contacts online. Tanfield, I need your contact name, your handle. Yes, and Pimps Sitaro is my handle. Thank you. Subar, I already added you. Make sure you add me as well, okay? Oh, there you are. I just passed you. 7, invite. T-Pay me. Nope, that one didn't work. Oh, NE. Ugh. There we go. Spagball. Alright. There you go. Don't forget to add Sitaro. I'm sure it's been said many times. There we go. Double Digital is getting in. People are getting in. Outlaw. I thought I already had you. Outlaw. Ah. Backspace just gets you right out of there. Oh, there it is again. Duratan. Outlaw. Outlaw, aka. There you are. Inviting. Skipper. Invite to party. Bagels. Broken Citizen. There you are. Delsta and double Mr. Holidays. Make sure you accept it using the left bracket. Ren says, never mind, I'll enjoy watching. You sound like Kiralis. Hey Ren, put me a link so I can see who that person is. Patrick Moore says so smooth. Trying to keep it relatively clean, right? May you add me too? Handsome Pete. All right. Handsome Pete has been added. Okay. You'll have to add me. Now, I don't know if we should be doing any cargo running today. Why? Because you might not be able to get in. It'd be a bad day. All right. That one didn't work. Finally. Uh-oh. It's Tony Sitarow. That's my handle. Bolivar. I've added you as well. T-Love's there. Invite. Invite. Musafa has been added. And all you have to do is press left bracket. Dillian 3.3.0 is actually live now. The Gallant 12. Maybe it's a full list now, guys. Unfortunately. There's only so much I can do. Alright. I typed the name Zataro. It didn't work. It says offline. It will, Tony, until you tell me what your handle is. And unfortunately, you may need to relog, but I don't want that. Okay. Can you send AUC to a friend or not yet in the game? You have to only be in the same server, and then when you do make a contract, he has to be the one to accept it. If somebody else accepts it, you better cancel it, or else you will pay them. Pimp says, by the way, the prompt to accept your party invite might not show. At least it did not for me. But I pressed the left bracket, the key to the right of the P, and that's the hotkey to get accepting a party invite. Alright. I don't know if I can add any more, everyone. Tony Romero, 1999. Oh, it worked, Tony. That's a, hey G sub 7. I can't add that one. That one's not a name. It might be a name though. Bromigo. Sap bowl. I will spag. Spag bowl. I'll try that. I thought I already had that. Spag. I thought I already have you. Women is online. Spag. Oh, here's Durotan. A lot of people are trying to get in. There you go. But you're offline, but that's okay. The point is you'll probably see me. I'll just invite to party. Ooh, invite to party now is here. Interesting. Invite to party. Invite to party. Invite to party. T-Love, invite to party. Yowzer, invite to party. Alright. Filoso. Filoso, I added you. Make sure you add Zataro as well. And it looks like you might have. Yep. There you go. Invite to party. There you go. The official Beeria. Beer Miron. Spagball's offline. I'm definitely online. I know you are. Jedi Wanderer. Jedi Wanderer is now added. I will cancel, go back, and invite to party. Invite to party. Invite to party. Invite to party. Safazone, invite to party. T-Lev. I don't know if T-Lev, he might be actually doing something else. And Yowzer too. So I'll stop sending them invites. Drew Grit. Woohoo, Drew Grit. He's alive. People are getting in. Handsome Pete, a new person joining us today. So many. Thor's Might, the Man of Corn, Steffo, Frieden, Warbot, Sibless, One. All right. WC Fields is asking, anyone else having a packet P4K file problems in 3.3? If you are, please just mention it to them. The Galleon 12. I think I already have that added. Let's see. Spagball. There you go, Spagball. You're online. Just press the left bracket when you're ready. Maybe it's lowercase t. Huh. I'll try adding one more time. See, Payne has been added. Judy, I will add that. July. July demand. Ooh, that doesn't seem to work. July demand did not work. Where's the beer? Yeah. No idea how to fix it. So Keith also has the same problem, WC. My guess is do a verification file. Maybe you might also have a problem with the file itself corrupting. No stream. YouTube broken? There is a stream. Here, I'll do this for you guys. It's fine. Good evening, citizens. Sataro. How is 3.3 today? Lister of Smeg. It is golden. Kane, thank you. This is all I do. I like whispering because it keeps it nice and chill. Because, as you know, Star Citizen is unpredictable, and Murphy is a great friend of mine. All right, 7, I'm going to do that right now. Invite again. Invite again. Spec ball. Send invite. Vanos. Handsome Pete. Safazone. T-Love. Oh, there's somebody here. That's new. Kaboom. All right, I'm going to jump into Stream 1 shortly. And Wigan. Right now, Wigan. Yo, non-partisan media. Yes, I'm here. All right. We got bartender, thanks. And okay. And we have in guest chat, Mr. Holiday. How you doing? Mr. Holiday. I moved you to stream 1, Mr. Holiday. And I will send you guys the Discord right now. Paste. There you go. Feel free to join. Remember, PG-13. Keep it civil. We love civil. Makes things enjoyable for all. Just reload. Actually, Skyrim. I didn't really play it. I modded it and had fun doing that. The Nords, and needless to say, is I had the most epic adventures ever. The story was okay, but sometimes, just change it up. It's quite fun. I even had kids and a wife, and yeah, it was quite fun. Yeah. Too bad it was a multiplayer, so I kind of role-played with my wife and my kids, and they kind of enjoyed it. So, Red and Golden says, do you have a face reader? The face reader? No, I just have Brio Logitech. Oh, cool. Go ahead, Mr. Holidays, if you want to say something.
Hello.
Hello, how are you doing, Skipper?
So what's the plans? Do we have to come out of the server that we're in?
Well, no, Yowzer, we're not going to do anything right now. Kendama, Handsome Pete, Rosemore, Spag Bowl. I am just dragging you guys in. I will add you as a qualified tester. The way you keep and lose qualified tester is, not try to keep it PG-13, which is not good for anybody. All right, Cheater 0248, welcome. And of course, in this channel, it's push to talk, so we'll have it set up properly for everyone. And I'll do a mic check there.
I'm still finding issues trying to find out a decent push to talk button available.
I know. How about end key? Do you think that that's decent, or you could use also plus. Plus is what we use in game.
I've been using end key, but it starts jumping through the Discord channel. The other servers I have and everything.
Yeah, absolutely. Try the plus on the num block, because I know we use that in Star Citizen.
If you have a mouse with multiple
Yeah,
buttons on the side, you can use that as
yeah,
well.
I've got loads of them, but they're all taken.
They're all taken. This is one busy fella. I got in-game on second try. That was easy. Sixen. Ash says, I've always wondered what Zatara looks like, but in a way, I like not knowing. It's like those calming radio DJs that you just love listening to.
Oh, that's so cute.
That is nice. And it's pretty much true, You always sound... Some people sound older than they look, and some people sound younger than they look. And some people just don't look like the person you hear.
I'd rather envision what you look like. As soon as I know, it ruins everything.
Yeah, exactly. You never know. It's a rare occasion to see me in real life. Well, my wife sees me every day. She's like, yeah, I like listening to you too. It helps me sleep. But in a good way, I suppose. Daniel says that he had the P4K fail to decompress error, and he re-downloads it. Hello, Lockdown. He always refers to me as a noob. And yes, especially in 3.3.5 Hurston, noob extraordinaire. Even though I do have access to play PTU, I will resist until the first wave. Embargo. Anyway, it's all good. It's coming along nicely, and the team's working really hard on it. So, SC Aether Blades, it's like Batman. Well, okay, he's way more fit, taller probably, I don't know, and very much more of a playboy than I am. Kita says, has the face of radio. Sitara has the face of radio, yes. Ash says, I'm not cute. He's not cute, don't even say that. It's like one of those cats that say, stop saying cute. Scratches you. Mayo says, damn, your other stream tricked me into getting in it. It's not set to air till the 17th. Yes, the 17th, guys. I just add those events so people know. Pimp says, can you bump me back into the voice chat? I had to restart Disco. Yeah, in fact, you should be able to. Now, just double click in stream one and see if that works. Rosemore.
Hey Sidra, how'd you go with your client? Did you get it sorted?
Yeah, you know, I don't know if I fixed it or not. Maybe it was just luck of the draw, as it were. I'm back. It's so calming. Find it very attractive. Falun, thank you. It's nice to feel, you know, there's an adage. I forgot how to coin it in English. But in layman's terms, it says that to feel good is to feel human. It's what you do with that good feeling that can ruin it. Right? Sheldon and Cody, Steroid is actually 12. Yes. And this is a voice changer. Hi, how's it going, guys?
Sidra exposed.
Yeah. Can you send me your Discord, please? Absolutely. There it is. It is in live chat now. T-Love, so was testing the loading issue, and it seems you simply have to log out of the launcher and log back in. Huh. Alright, if you're having a problem, log out of the launcher and log back in.
Yeah, it seems to be a authorization conflict with the launcher, and something about that.
The experience I've had with it, sorry to interrupt you there, was basically I just restart my computer and I restart my controllers, any peripherals that I have. I've been having this issue where if one of my controllers turns off mid-game, it will give me that same issue, and I'll have to restart the whole system. So just maybe that'll help.
Okay, that's good to know. We have 253 viewers right now. Just looking at the side scrolling of some very pleasant, I guess, screenshots from previous sessions. And what I'm thinking I'm going to do is risk jumping in. Do you guys want to try? See what happens?
Yes, sir. Let's do it. I've been playing all day. It's been really stable.
Really? What happens if you crash the desktop and can't get in?
I mean, I've run into that error a few times, and like I say, I just turned my computer to a reset. And,
all right. Handsome Spagbowl and Handsome Pete, I just sent you guys a party invite again. So you
a few of us.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
A few of us from Synchronizers are going to go and do drug labs from Yella to Grimhex. You want to join us, bro?
Sure. From Yella to Grimhex? Why Grimhex? Grimhex sells so slow. Yesterday, you can go to Levski and you can sell 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 at a time. So that's 10.
Okay.
If you buy 20, you can. Yeah, let's go. This time, what I'll do is I'll just tag along. So,
Sure.
the Shadow Hunter, are you in my party or you guys have your own party? It doesn't really matter.
We have our own party.
Perfect.
But yeah, I think you have to add me because this is. I think you have me on the PTU, but not the P.
Okay, I'll do that now. Oops. Shadow Hunter 255. Oh no. Is it the same way as it is in the Discord?
Should be, yeah.
Okay. Oh, phew. I thought I was done. You can only have 250 contacts. There. Shadowhunter is now added? That's weird. I'll try it again. There we go. We got Kaboom, inviting Shadowhunter. Did you add me to Shadowhunter? Did you grid?
I believe so.
Yep, I see you. Zenthrex. Ooh, he's gonna join you too? Oh, you guys might want to check him out if he's streaming. He's on YouTube too, if you guys don't know. Shadowhunter, I see you now. Okay. One moment, I'll be right back. You were saying? Go ahead. Go ahead, please. Don't be shy. Come on.
No.
Everyone, my wife is here and she wanted to share something with me.
No.
Yes, yes.
Right
yes.
on.
No,
I
no.
love you.
We
They
can
say they
already
love
hear you.
They could already hear you.
We love you.
They love you.
Honey,
Hello.
I'm sorry, but
Just say what you wanted to share with me.
She's mortified.
Yeah. She's so giddy.
I was just reading what was being wrote on there, and it was kind of interesting.
She's all beside herself. Well,
Interesting.
I hope you enjoy Vegas this week. Okay.
Okay,
Say
well-
hi to Cher. Okay.
Hello, Cher.
She's having a fun time, I guess. She's gonna go on a road trip with 4 friends or 3 friends. Well, I guess four girls on night out in Vegas. What do I have to worry about, right?
What stays in Vegas?
Well, you're on a spaceship with a bunch of dudes.
Yeah, that's right.
Hello, wife.
Whoa, that's loud. Here, I'll just adjust you one moment. Do. Once I adjust it, you'll be fine. Okay. Go ahead and key up now.
That's a cute laugh.
Yeah, she's fun. She's quite fun. Bartender, hey.
A keeper.
Yeah, definitely. Old, reliable relationship where she's happy and I'm happy. Happy to be in each other's company. But right now, she's just tuning in. She's like an unspoken moderator. So remember, everyone, PG-13. Ramboli says, it'd be few hours before I can get on. Okay, Lewis, so sweet. Yes. She'll be reading your comments, I'm sure. So you'll make her day. All right, so I think, apart from being distracted, I will stop sending Kaboom invites because he might be trying and just it's irritating him. Anyone else need an invite? Anyone else? No? Okay. Let us do this. We're going to go to... So, Shadowhunter, do you want me to just follow you? Shadowhunter. Okay, Spagbull and 7's already in a server. 13 of 50. Yowzer. Everyone's going to get a nice party lunch. We're jumping in. 13 of 50.
I'm already on
What
the
were you
server.
guys doing to get past the account errors?
Some people, what they do is they log out of their launcher and log back in. That's all they do. Actually, no. I'm kind of like their travel agent. I already have everything planned for them, so I can't really talk about it because they might be listening.
Ooh, it worked?
Yeah, it worked for me, and you guys should be logging in. It's very smooth. I'm getting about 80 FPS. Hey, Durotan, there you are. All right. So,
Damn, you're golden, Citro.
excellent. You guys are good. Now, this will probably be a full server, so you'll have to forgive me. If you aren't in the party, I can send an invite to you guys. Now, let's walk like we mean it. You know, the iconic walk. Oh, hey, before we do anything, Should we even risk this? I don't know.
I like risk.
Well, I do too, but it's might be sensible. All right. Oops. All right. There we are. F1.
I just set up my comms and card.
Oh, you did. All right. You know what I was talking about. There you go. Comms out and locked. Yeah, this is it. Testing, testing, 1, 2. Do you hear me loud and clear? I hope.
Clear.
And this is actually in-game test, not in Discord. Wow, look at that. I like. Nice look. Very nice. Okay, so let's see how we perform. And I'm going to put on face over IP. I know some people don't care for it. It's kind of spooky. And I just got a blue screen. Wow. That's a first. So just give me a moment. I'll be right back.
No.
It happens. I told you, risk reward. We'll see if I get back in. Smack on loading screen for me getting error. Or you got stuck? Okay. No Stanley, no Fortnite. Stop spamming with those things, Ren. Stan Lee's here? Wow. Now that's a privilege. I love it when you have those cameos with Stan Lee. It's fun.
Back from the dead.
Yeah. Okay, logging in. Nice and patient-like. Remember, launch your launcher, log out, log back in. That might help you get in. It's interesting that it crashed. I wonder what else I was running in the background at the time. I don't think I was running anything. Nope. I'm just clearing up some stuff. Discord. Quitting Discord. Sonic Studio. I was messing around with a few audio samples yesterday, and I'm wondering if that could be the cause. Music's fun. Okay. Wow, that was not wanting to turn off. Discord's being mean to me. End task. There. Well, I'm mean to you too. Okay.
I'll be back when I stop getting error code.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to try to. We'll see if I get an error code now. Space Marine Bob Ross. That's what I said. Gabe G. Core Wave Function says, I like the thumbnail you used for your Join in the Fun video a few days back. Reminds me of a classic National Geographic cover of the African girl eyes. Yes, so true. Blue screen cuts deep in my soul, Sheldon. Got in on the 10th-ish try. Just keep relaunching without doing anything else. Okay. You can't be logged in with those. No, that's not what it is. I don't need any of that. It changes the brain, you know. And I'm not into that sort of thing. GTA Ola says, I crash to desktop if I unmute party. No ideas why. Maybe it has something to do with the CPU load. Could I have a party invite nicknamed Jackson90? Sure. Too bad it wasn't Jackson 5. Is this a Star Citizen ASMR stream? It might be. I think you might have some loose wire or hardware Zataro. There's a possibility. Maybe a power issue. Unlikely, but it's a possibility. I did what you said. Still get error code. All right. I got the error code too right now. Here you go. As you can see. So what I'm going to do is Alt F4. Like everyone else. And then I'm going to go here and log out. And then I'm going to log back in. And then, of course, say, please remember me. And we'll see what happens. I'm just logging out, logging in, just in case. Audio drivers. Yeah, Frisbee, it might be something to do with audio drivers because you're muting your mic, right? So there's a possibility that's exactly what it is. So when I get the menu, we'll carry on. Space Marine. It's
Some guys.
Hey, how you doing today?
Pretty fine. I'm having a trouble.
You're having
Can't seem to push to talk in Discord when I'm in game.
Oh, run Discord as administrator.
Oh, all right. Let's try that.
Yeah. Of course, it's Sotaro as the new Hal's voice. Ooh, that'd be fun. Maybe we'll have to do a parody or some sort of that. Let's see. I'm still getting this endless loading screen. So we know what this is. I'm just going to Alt F4 it. Close program. There. And of course it's asking me to verify. I'll relaunch. No Hal. Aw. So he didn't stop, right, Cheetah? He kept going after 65, or did he get in at 65? They did mention that VoIP could cause problems. Yeah. It wasn't so much the VoIP, it was something else when I turned on the face over IP, which is like, no, stop that, you bad boy, you.
Yeah, my game crashed after I used VoIP.
Really? Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, T-Love, maybe we won't use that for now. Not until they get this login stuff. Hey, beautiful creature, how you doing today? All right, looks like I have the Alt F4 of death again. Now, you guys are in the server, right? Those ones that survived?
That's right.
Okay. That's not so
couldn't
bad.
seem to join you, though.
Yeah, well, I'm not in right now. Oh, I see.
No, I see.
I think I know what you mean now.
Well, technically, you're still standing here.
Yeah, I know. And the problem is I can't even get past the loading of the client, which is the...
Don't blink, though. That's kind of creepy.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if your avatar is blocking you because it's kind of saying that you're still there.
Nah, that's not what it is. I know what you're thinking.
We could sacrifice it.
Yeah, if you could. It's an armistice zone. It'll disappear.
It did
soon.
kick you though.
Yeah, it did. So it's gone now.
It kicked you from the party, but the character is still there.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. Let's see. I'm just going to lower my volume a little bit. Just raise that up. There we go. Nice and slow. Well, I don't know if it's nice. It's so slow. Thank you for being patient, all of you.
AFK for 2 minutes.
Okay, Yowzer. No problem. Wow. So this one's still being silly. If it works, it's within a few moments, right? If it doesn't, it's right away. So I'll just close the launcher and relaunch the launcher now. Relaunch the launcher and we'll see what happens. Guys, it's a firewall issue apparently. Really? Well, that's interesting because I have no firewalls. So it's on their side, not our side? How did the guy that did Hal's voice die? Old age? That's a good question. Why? But my dad can't get his tumbrel to show up in his hangar. If anyone has any answers, I'm not really sure. He was probably best to issue email to support. Just started. How long until it ends? I don't know how long until it ends, but it's taking a while. Wow. Right, closing it again. Voila. And you know what? In PTU, there's no problem. It's kind of silly, really. Silly.
Yeah, I just find that really, really weird that in PTU, when it's less stable, it's actually more stable.
Yeah.
And it kind of gets you in.
It may be due to less server choices. It
Yeah.
might be calling many
Yeah.
times and then trying to select the server and then it's bugging out.
I heard Europe also had trouble entering in the game. Okay. Well, tomorrow, if not today, they'll get close to getting it fixed, I suppose. Maybe today's session will be cut short. Wow. I'll just watch videos of cats or dogs. Totogi says, there were 2 lags in the stream before the crash. I switched off Windows Defender at all, but I'm still having issues, he says. The login issue has been on and off for a few days here. It started working a bit better about an hour ago in Europe. Okay. And then they decided to kill us over here. Which is an understandable site thing. Let's go to the official website and see what they say.
Did I miss anything?
You know what's really weird? I know they're doing like something in the back end, even with the web, it seems. Yowzer, what did you say? Sorry?
Just saying I'm back. Did I miss anything?
Oh no, you've missed nothing at all. Crash handler synchronizing account data with the game network either failed or timed out.
Did you guys crash?
I blue screened. Did you guys crash?
No, I finally made it in after I've been having that 1506 here for about an hour.
Okay.
But I was chatting with a bunch of the sync guys, and it seems to be a case-by-case basis, right?
Yeah, it's almost like there's something's overwhelming the network. I've seen this before. Just so you guys know, I've seen this before with the launch of an MMO or 2 or 3 or 4 after beta going live. And what it turns out to be is the network path from your location to the servers are being bombarded with DOS attacks. And at least that's what the routers think. But what's happening is it's just a lot of volume that they weren't prepared for. So they had no baseline to go with. So this maybe was an update on Amazon's side that caused this kind of reaction. It's hard to say.
Somebody also said Avocado just got another 3.3.5 build, like just right now. So I don't know if that played into it at all.
Oh, no, because they've been having this problem all day, it seems. All right, so I'm still in the loading screen. Still wasting my time. Well, I'm not wasting my time. I can't get in. Just given to error over and over and over. So right now all I'm doing is nothing at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do nothing at all. And I'll do something else rather than nothing at all. And with that said, the official site loads right now. I'm going to log out, close the launcher, and then reopen the launcher and log in. I'm sure that's not going to help because it's like Bob Mitch said, it's not a client side. You just have to try to get in, and then you blue screen, and then everybody's sad.
Yeah, it seems to be server side. I've been doing some testing on my network, and I'm not seeing it fluctuate going properly. It seems to be blocking at some point. It's not going through at a certain time.
Okay.
T-Love has a lot of background interference.
Yeah, T-Love, you do. Protus riff.
Yeah,
okay,
I think I'm a bit too far from the mic, that's why.
I don't think that's right.
All right, we'll see what happens. These are ports the AC uses: 8000, 8020, UDP 6490, 64090, and 64110, which is normal. And it is working. Like, you can actually, when you get that crash error, press the tilde. You'll see a whole bunch of information. All right, so there it is. You just press tilde when you get another 1600 error. So wonderful. This is the most difficult. So there's the public universe, robertspaceindustries.com. And if you go Windows R, you can actually see when you ping it, command ping public.
Hey Citadel, it's pretty funny. Someone's like in the server that you crashed out of. I'm still sitting here. Someone said, "Oh, Citadel was in this. That boy got a smooth voice." So some random noticed you.
That's so awesome. Thank you.
Fame at last.
Yeah. All right. So the IP address I'm getting. So you guys tell me what you get when you ping that public universe. This is what I'm getting. And I'm going to just trace route it. Here, I'll just open it up for you guys to see. Here. Transfer. It's going to be small, but that's what I'm getting when I ping. That guy right there. So just compare it to yours and see what happens. And notice how the request times out? Because it doesn't have a ping reply. Right? Tracert 50.17.105.39. Let's see. Look at that. It's just jumping. All right. So while that does that, I'm going to see how many hops it is from here. And we'll go. All right. So far it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Yeah, it's going to keep going. That's a lot of routing. Wow. All right. If you're wondering why you get latency, it's because of all that routing that's happening. Keep closing and relaunching it. Oh, yes, I am.
I know you don't want to try it, Satara, but you can always do that restart. It works every time.
Yeah, you mean the PC?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I could do that. Maybe there's some sort of session ID that's still going on the PC side, right? So that's what I'll do. It takes me nothing because it doesn't interrupt the stream. Wow, I'm at 17 hops already. What the? 18. And this is why you want a VPN right to the building, right next door to the server.
Listen, I gotta love yous and leave yous. I gotta go and do something.
Okay.
Wink, wink.
Well, right now it's interesting. Anyway, GTA, if you get 100% packet loss, it's just because they're not replying to ping requests. Jonathan says, you are doing that. What's up, everybody? Hey, Dash, just 15,006. All right. Now at 20, I'm getting request timeout. I'm still not even at 50.17. So at 19 was the last request reply. Interesting. So anyway, I'm trying it one more time, and then I'm going to restart the PC and see if that helps. Anyway, I have a maximum of 30 hops. Oh, it gave me another 1506. So what I'm going to do is let it... Nah, just Alt F4. I haven't got a ping reply after 25, so I'm good. I'm going to restart. And Drew Grit finally got in, and Jonathan got in. So maybe after a reboot, I'll get in. Yay! What can we do? Oh yeah, you know what? We'll do this again. I think that's pretty good. Scene. Interact with this. Okay. I'm still trying. Even rebooting the PC doesn't seem to work. The only thing that helped with me was literally to redo the launcher. So I'm going to try that now, just in case it wasn't a fluke. I just rebooted the PC, tried again, another error. So this time, I'm going to find out for sure. And calling all devs is up. I put the link in live chat for you if you wish to jump there. Lazy link. Alright, just getting rid of that. And this. Yes. Alright. Let's see what happens now. Okay. Yeah, I did that, all of that, Rin. The only thing I'm doing now is deleting the launcher information, redoing the launcher, two-step authentication, everything. Because that worked for me. So we'll see if that helps. Alright. It might just be a fluke, but we'll find out right away. Authenticate. All right. Interesting. Okay, that's what I'll do then. Control-Alt-Shift-R to do a forced update of the launcher. Alright, Rin, I'll definitely try that. Well, here's an example. I just redid the launcher and it's still timing out. So the sale will be the 23rd of November, I believe. So next week, adventures. And for those who didn't get the link, here's the link for calling all devs. Geo says it's global. He's in North America, Canada, and he still has the same problem. Alright. It didn't help. So, Control-Alt-Shift-R. Reset launcher configurations. I hit OK. There. Saladin, thank you. Thank you very much. Let's see what happens. Now, I also tried changing my DNS IP address to Google, and it didn't work. Okay, well, I don't want to waste anyone's time with this. If you guys want, I can continue to try, or we can call it a day and come back and revisit this when they have it under wraps. Gio says, I heard that one of the items in the anniversary sale is to get out of the 15K6 error card. Some dude says, we can watch Calling All Devs on stream if it doesn't work. Yeah, that's true. I could pull that up, but I would prefer that you all visit the stream, support it, as it were. Mine also won't get past that screen. Yeah, exactly. So, I got in earlier, but everything I tried to get in earlier didn't work this time. If you press tilde now, you'll see what's happening in the background. Binary data. My login was successful. My handle's good. Account ID is good. A pool of women is coming up. Outlaw, aka Rosemore, Scarlet Breyer, Bolzano, Zentherex. And this is what it says to me. CIG online service connection failed at sync. Code 1. So, give me a moment. I'm going to go to... Well, it's not affecting Vicati, so they don't care. Account, Spectrum, General. Lots of things. That's the error I get. That gives me the 15,006. But everyone else, the contacts are updating. It's very nice. It's still going strong. Okay, Crazy Jimmy 2 is in. I'm going to issue command, reboot server. Alright, that's not what I want. Shadow pool size. Ooh, r_shadow pool size is 1,892. Full GPU sync timeout is 10. Fog shadows is 0. Ooh. Enable full display info. Ooh. What else do I have? Captain Carl got on and then he got off. Boo. Get screenshot. Huh. Interesting. Alright, GPU markers. G Astrid mining debug. Ooh. I put it on 1. V. No, V. I'm just messing around. CHG profile auto logging enabled. CHG profile auto logging enabled during load. Frame delay after. Max captures 5. Slow frame threshold 10. Slow frame tolerance 0.25. Slow frame window 2. And CHG profile log stash host specific IP address Alrighty then. Scarlet Brer is offline now. Dump device information. Alright, nice. It shows all the devices, joysticks that you have. Alright, tilde out. Going back into Discord, unmuting myself. Hey, happy campers.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, so this 1506 has rendered the stream inoperable. Sad.
I just got in, if that makes a difference.
Yeah, I know. I seen you getting in. How did I see you get in? You may ask. If you get
Magic?
the 15, no. If you get the 15,000 error, you can press the tilde, and it will show you everyone that got in. Right?
Yeah, I got that error about 3 times before it let me in.
Yeah. So what do you do to get in?
I just kept trying and it eventually let me in.
And all you do is Alt F4 and then launch all the time?
Yeah.
Okay. It's good to know. I think it's really tough. Captain Flam says, hi from Canada. Hello and welcome. Polzano says, oh, I'm in now. Right on, Polzano. What's at the end of the rainbow? My crash handler submission report has crashed. Hey, hey, Saladin. How you doing? All right, we are losing streamers and viewers so quickly. Anyway, I know you guys are tuning in to reverse the verse. The Calling All Devs, there's the link. Of course, you can check out Nubifier's quick version, no BS version. Adam says, it's a little sad that even after 6+ years of development, we are still having simple launcher issues. You know, Adam, this is not really a simple issue, and it is sad, but it happens when you're doing work on the back end constantly. Even the most memorable one was, I believe it was when Aeon went live. I think it was Aeon, yeah. All of the routes to their servers got overwhelmed with all the logins on day one that nobody can get in unless you VPN'd and went out through a different route. All right. So that didn't help. And launching again. I am Captain Carl. Nice. So did you get in, Captain Carl? Well, we definitely tried. We gave it the old college try.
What's really funny is you knew I was in before I even knew that I was in.
Yeah, it shows up. And then when it says log out, that's not a good sign.
Well, it does say that you're online on my side.
Yeah, because I'm trying to get online. But then you get a timeout error, and I put the timeout error on the general spectrum. So this is the message of the day. Hi all, we're aware and actively investigating the 15,006 disconnect errors affecting our European players. No ETA on fix, but we'll provide an update as soon as we have more information. WL. It's not just Euro. Okay, so there we go again. Alright everyone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the stream now because I know you are all eager to play and I would love to do nothing but until this is solved, I will free you from not missing out on anything. But stay tuned. We might be playing a little later. I held off as much as long as I could, and I hoped it would work, but I guess not. But this is always fun to have you and everyone join in. So
Thanks for trying.
yeah, no, thanks for joining in. And if it's later tonight, yay! You know, we'll find out. All right, everyone. I am going to disconnect from Discord and stop the stream now. Thanks again for tuning in.